What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back with another video. If you want to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you are updated every time we upload a new video. Our Sunday meal will consist of oven fried chicken, plus I'm going to do some oven barbecue chicken as well. But you guys have already seen a video on that. If you have not seen my video, go over and check it out. I'll try to put a link up in the iCards so that you can check out the oven barbecue chicken. Now, this is oven fried, and today what we're going to use for the oven fried chicken is this Louisiana seasoned crispy chicken fry chicken batter mix. You can use this to fry like in oil. You can use it as a wet batter or as a dry batter or both. This is the spicy recipe, just so that you know. I don't know if they have a mild recipe, but this is a spicy recipe. So, only thing that we're going to do with this chicken here in the bowl is I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to it, not much. As a matter of fact, I'm only going to add like some onion powder and some garlic powder, and then I'm going to add some canola oil to it before adding the seasoned chicken fry. Alright, so you see I added some onion powder and some garlic powder. You guys know I always say make sure that you season to taste. So however you see fit, that's what you put. And so I'm going to add a little bit of canola oil. Whatever oil you have works just fine. And then I'm just going to go in and give it a mix like you were never worthy. Lately it's Alright, so we're back. We're going to add some chicken fry. Boy, that chicken fry. It must got some Tony Cheshires in it or something, because that's the only thing, that's the only seasoning come up out of Louisiana that make you cough and sneeze and everything as soon as you use it. Alright, so we're just going to mix that around. Just make sure that it gets coated. So over here I have a sheet pan that has been sprayed with Pam, and what you want to do, shake off the excess, and we're just gonna lay them right on here, spread them out. So I never saw your face. Your oven settings are. Here is the oven fried chicken. Before it's in the oven, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like after the flour seasoning has set in, and then we'll put it in the oven. So we'll be right back. So we're back showing you what the chicken looks like. As you can see, that flour has kind of soaked into the chicken. We'll show you a closer view. Ooh, I'm sneezing like crazy. Alright, so we've got our oven preheated at 400 degrees, and we're gonna put this in the oven. You can put it in the top, it's fine. We're gonna put that in the oven, and we're also gonna put our other chicken that we have in the oven. That's gonna be the barbecue chicken. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven for about 50 minutes. 45 to 50 minutes. Check it at about 30 minutes so you can see what it looks like. And then, you know, go from there. Alright, so we are back. Here are the oven fried chicken wings, and I got a couple legs over there. But, okay, that's a good right there. I wanted to show you, they definitely are crispy. You can hear that. So, give these a try. If you decide to do that, make sure that you tag me on my Instagram, Whatcha Cookin Glenda _1. Show me how yours turned out. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will get a plethora of videos when we upload them. We appreciate y'all taking time to look. We'll see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.